Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the column width and the row height in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, we're going to go ahead and change the column width, and what you want to do is move your cursor in between two letters, and you're going to see this double-sided arrow come. Pretty easy. We can just go ahead and drag back and forth between any of these. I'm going to put some text in here really quick, and right here, we can also go ahead and right-click on the column. And then you can click on resize column. You can choose whatever pixel size you want. So if we want to go back to the default 100, let's just type a whole, just something smaller. You can also right click, resize the column and fit to data. And then it's going to go ahead and just basically bring the column to whatever amount of text you have in that box. If you want to change the row height, it basically works the same way. So we're going to put some stuff, in multiple rows. And then right here, I do already have this fit to data. So that's why it is going adjusting the column height as I add new things onto this individual cell. If this video does help you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you're new.